So you're thinking about purchasing a property here in Sonoma County. Well, today we're taking a property tour of this beautiful home in Northwest Santa Rosa. This home is 4 beds, 3 baths, just under 2,200 square feet and sits on a 0.14 acre lot. This home is also just down the street from Piner High School, has some beautiful walking trails on the youth community park just right next door, has the Piner Skatepark, and overall just some really beautiful scenery just down the street from the property. So without further ado, let's take a look. All right, so here we are at the exterior of the property. I'll give you a quick look to the right here. So this is just a dead end, got a big open field on the end, and some nice walking trails, and a nice park behind the trees as well. So let's make our way inside the property. Now this is in the Fox Hollow community. It was built mostly in 2019, so newer construction. As we walk in, we got these stairs to the right. We have half bath here, or full bath rather. A nice surround around the shower. You also have one of the bedrooms downstairs. So good if you have an older family member or someone who wants a little more privacy from the rest of the bedrooms. Got the garage here. Storage space. A little more storage. Here we got the gas fireplace and living room. Got some cool light fixtures in this house as well. So dining room and kitchen. So this is the layout of a lot of the homes in this neighborhood. They got the big open floor plan on the first level. You got the 6-burner stovetop gas. Nice backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Before we head upstairs, let's take a look in the backyard. So we got AC, decent little patio space and grass area as well. And the stucco exterior. This is a corner lot. And the slider and all the windows here have the shutters, which is a nice little touch. But now let's make our way to the second level of the property. We got the hardwood floors up here. So this is just an open space. It could be a second living area, music room, office, whatever you want to make this. But just a big open area right when you walk up. Full bath, double vanity. One of the bedrooms here. Laundry. Another bedroom. There's another view outside. Really beautiful day today. And on the opposite side, we have the master. Master bed, toilet, and master bath. So you got the double vanity, hot tub, shower, and walk-in closet. And that wraps up today's property tour. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.